Welcome back to the Uninex product review page. Today we'll be looking at item VS107, the bottle caps humidifier. The VS107 is a USB bottle cap humidifier that includes a USB cable, 2 filter tubes, and 1 humidifier. The USB bottle cap humidifier removes unfavorable odors and smells, increases humidity of air, reducing dust and bacteria, moisturizes your skin, is lightweight media design and USB interface, which makes it very easy to use in the office, at home, or in your car. To operate the bottle cap humidifier, product VS107, simply place a filter inside the bottle cap humidifier. Place the humidifier on top of a standard water bottle. Plug in to a standard outlet with a charger. And plug in the USB to micro port into the humidifier to begin the humidification. Thanks for watching our video presentation.